How to test farm soil for salinity problems. If you are a farmer or an investor in agricultural real estate, understanding soil salinity is key to maintaining healthy crops and maximizing land value. Salinity can hinder crop growth, so knowing how to test for it is essential. Let's break down the process to ensure you have the right information. The most reliable method to assess soil salinity is the saturated paste extraction method. Start by collecting soil samples from the root zone, typically from 0 to 6 inches deep. If you suspect irrigation issues, you may want to go deeper. Next, create a saturated paste by mixing the soil with distilled water until it reaches a pudding-like consistency. You want it glossy but without any standing water. Allow this mixture to sit for several hours, often overnight, to let the soluble salts dissolve. After that, extract the liquid from the paste using a vacuum or filtration method. This liquid is what you will test. Use a conductivity meter to measure the electrical conductivity of the extracted solution. Higher conductivity readings indicate higher salt concentrations. If you need a quicker method, consider the 1-to-1 soil-water suspension method. Mix equal volumes of soil and distilled water, for example, 100 milliliters each. Shake the mixture for about 5 minutes, then let it settle for 30 minutes before filtering. Measure the electrical conductivity of this solution as well. While this method is less precise, it is practical for routine checks. For a broader understanding of salinity across your fields, take multiple samples from different locations, especially areas showing signs of salt stress. You can also use portable electrical conductivity meters for immediate readings right in the field. Electromagnetic mapping tools, like M30, 8 or M31, can help assess salinity distribution over larger areas, which is useful for land use planning. When interpreting your results, remember that electrical conductivity values indicate salinity levels. Different crops have varying tolerance levels for salinity. Additionally, if you find high sodium content relative to calcium and magnesium, it could lead to soil structure issues. This can be measured using sodium adsorption ratio or exchangeable sodium percentage. For more detailed analysis, consider comprehensive lab tests that check for specific ions like sodium, chloride, calcium, and magnesium, along with pH levels. This information will guide your management decisions. Understanding how to test for salinity is vital for farmland investors and agricultural real estate professionals. It helps assess land productivity risks and informs valuation decisions. Proper soil sampling and testing ensure you have accurate salinity data, supporting sustainable land management and investment strategies. Local agricultural extension services or commercial labs can assist with testing and interpreting results, making the process smoother.